In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo slider to Shopify. A logo slider is a simple professional way to showcase partner logos, press mentions, or the brands you carry. We'll use a free, easy-to-set-up app so you can control the scrolling speed, direction, and spacing, and then place it exactly where you want on your store. Start in your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, click Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Fab Scrolling Logo and select the app from the results. On the app page, click Add App, then confirm by clicking Install App. After installation, you'll land on the app's dashboard, where you can set everything up without touching any code. Click Upload Logos to bring in your images. Choose clean, high-quality files, ideally with transparent backgrounds so they blend with your theme. For a consistent look, try to keep all logos a similar height and orientation before uploading. PNGs usually work well, and compressed images will help keep your store fast. Once the files are uploaded, you'll see a preview inside the app so you can check spacing and alignment. Next, fine-tune how the slider behaves. Adjust the scroll speed until it feels smooth and readable. Aim for a moderate pace so visitors can recognize each logo without pausing. Pick the direction that suits your design. Left to right often matches reading flow, but you can reverse it for visual variety. Tweak the spacing so each logo has enough breathing room without looking sparse. Use the preview to make small adjustments until everything looks balanced. When you're happy with it, click Save to lock in those settings. Now it's time to place the slider on your storefront. Go to Online Store and then Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. From the Sections panel, choose Add Section and select Fab Scrolling Logo. The section will appear in your preview. Drag it into position. Many stores place it near the top of the homepage to build trust quickly, or just above the footer as a visual endorsement strip. Pick what suits your layout best, and watch how it looks on desktop and mobile views. When it's in the right spot, click Save. That's it. You've added a polished, scrolling logo slider to your Shopify store, complete with your own images and custom motion. If you ever add or remove partners, just return to the app to update the logos or tweak the settings for a perfect fit.